Well, hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make a linguiça stew. Linguiça is a type of sausage. It's a Portuguese sausage, and I thought I would give you another treat. Why not? So this is what it looks on the outside, and that's what it looks like in the inside. Okay? So I went to a Portuguese store, and they have it where you can buy it. They have it loose, so you can buy what you want. So I bought a $3 piece of linguiça. It was about that long, give or take. This is what it yields, along with this piece that I'm going to show you how I cut it. Okay. Alright, so let's get started. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. This is also on my Thanksgiving series. So I've already started my Thanksgiving series. I started it yesterday. So you want to follow along with that so you can pick and choose what you want to have on your table. And I think it's nice if you don't just have the traditional meal, because then they're going to ooh and talk about it for a long time. Okay, let's do it. Thumbs up. Thanks. Okay, I have 6 ounces of water in this. Let me put this in on the back so you can see. I have 6 ounces of water in this pot. Alright, the linguiça. All I'm going to do is just cut it the lengthwise. Okay. So you cut it in sections like this. If you want, it really doesn't matter how you cut it. Okay? Alright. So now that we have that out the way, we're going to start with all our ingredients, and we have a lot. Okay? This is a half a can of diced tomatoes. That's what the diced tomatoes look like. And I have a half a cup of pink beans. Now you can use any beans you want or no beans at all. I have some crushed red peppers. If you don't like your food hot, leave the crushed peppers out. This is a cup of mushrooms, give or take, 1 or 2. This is a very large carrot cut up. A cup of celery. And this is batata. That's what it looks like before you cut it up. This is what it looks like after you cut it up. Now if you don't have batata, you can use white potatoes, okay? Oops. I'm going to use some garlic paste, 1 teaspoonful. I had a very, very large onion I cut up. So you can see how I cut it up. I have a half of a red pepper, half of an orange pepper, half of a yellow pepper, and half of a green pepper cut up here. Okay, in the seasonings, I'm going to be using some chives, some no added salt, sassoon, some chicken base. If you don't have chicken base, you can use chicken broth. And I have already cooking in this rice cooker, and I don't think you can see that. Let me show you. There we go. in this rice cooker jasmine rice. 2 cups of jasmine rice. Okay, so let's get the party started. So I'm going to put the garlic paste in. I have 1 heaping teaspoon of garlic paste. And we're going to add the onions. Let me stir that up. Onions. I'm going to drain the water off the carrots. Carrots. So I have the garlic paste, the onions and carrots in already. Celery. I'm leaving the mushrooms till a little later. The beans can go in. The peppers can all go in. Oh, that's beautiful. The linguica. I'm going to pour the water off the patata. That's the patata. The half a can of tomatoes, diced tomatoes. The crushed peppers, red peppers. Okay, so I can clearly see I need some more water in here. So I already have 6 ounces of water. I'm going to add another 3. The chicken base I'm going to add. One heaping. 2 heaping tablespoons of chicken base. Chives. I'm going to leave the sassoon and the mushrooms for a little bit later once things really get to cooking. Okay, so I'm going to cover this and I'm going to give it 20 minutes to get started, and then I'll come back with you in 20 minutes. Thank you. Okay, I just added the 2 packages of no salt sassoon and the mushrooms, as you can see right here. Now we've been cooking already for 20 minutes. Gonna give that a chance to work itself into the flavors. Okay, I'm gonna be back in 5 minutes. Thanks. Okay, I'm gonna add some adobo light, which is light in salt. It's 50% less salt. Okay, I would say that we're about maybe 2 minutes away from being done. So let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is have versus have not. Think about that. The haves versus the have nots. The haves are people who are well off. They may have money, houses, cars, travel, enjoy life. The have-nots may have some of that, but may not have none of that. The have-nots may travel once in a while or once a year, where the haves travel all the time. The haves can dream because they have the finance behind it to make those dreams come true. The have-nots can dream, but they may not move on their dreams because they don't feel, because they don't have the finances that they can do so. Well, let me help you out on the have-nots. The have-nots can have it all. It's up to you. You know, if you want to have less, then you've accomplished your goal. If you want to have more, plan it, move on it, save, 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 save on it. Even if you have to get another job or another income, whatever you have to do, move on it. And let's say that you don't, you're not able to work. You can still save some of what you have to have some piece of dream that you would like, some goal that you would like to accomplish. So the haves and have-nots, the haves have nothing on the have-nots if the have-nots are determined to have. That's the word of the day. Okay, let me plate up our linguiça stew. Oh boy, 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 you're gonna love it. 1 second. Okay guys, our linguiça stew over yellow rice. Look at that. Look at it. Oh boy. Let me taste for you. Okay, let me take a taste. Wow. It's hot. I'm gonna put that down. So I have the linguiça here, the rice, some vegetables. The potato, carrot. The flavors. So good. If you've never had linguiça, please try this. Oh my goodness. The flavor is so good. And you can get it in mild or spicy. Oh, my. I could definitely eat that up, and I'm going to. Okay, thumbs up. Please subscribe. Ask others to subscribe. I'm looking for to build up my subscriber base. And I thank you for being there, watching the videos, and I'll talk to you on the next one, okay? Thank you.